Algebraic formulae, expansion of squares, part 7. Students, we have learnt how to factorize the numbers. Means the factors of 15 here we can write 3 into 5. Prime factors. 3 into 5 is 15. So 3 and 5 are the factors of 15. So if it is 3x, what will be the factors of 3x? 3 multiplied. Hence 3 and x are the factors of 3x. So if the given number is 5t square, so we can write 5 multiplied by t square is equal to 5 multiplied by t multiplied by t. T square means t 2 times. So 1, 5, t, t square, 5t, 5t square are all the factors of 5t square. 6ab square is equal to, the factors of 6 we can write 2 into 3. In multiplication form you have to write multiplied by a and b square is there, so write the b 2 times. Let's take example from the practice set 52. Question number 1. Factorize the following expressions and write them in the product form. First is 201 a cube b cube. So before that we will take this third example, 24a square and b square. To write the factors of 24 is very easy. Orally you can write down 12 2s are 24. But 12 is not the prime number. Until you get the prime numbers, you have to factorize it. So 2 multiplied by 6 2s are 12. Again 6 is a composite number. So we will write the factors of 6 as 2 into 3. So we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. You know how to factorize in horizontal, by horizontal method and by vertical method. You can factorize the numbers in rough and write the answers here. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 are the factors of 24. Write that first. Then the variables a square means a 2 times, b square means b 2 times. Last example, t r square s cube. So t once only you have to write. R square means r 2 times, s cube means s 3 times. Only in multiplication form you have to write the factors. This question is very easy. Now you can find out the factors of 201 in rough and then write here in multiplication form. 3 into 67 multiplied by a cube means a 3 times, b cube means b 3 times. 91, 7 into 13 are the factors of 91 multiplied by x multiplied by y and t square, so t 2 times. Remember, while writing the factors of coefficient, you should write only the prime numbers. Only prime numbers, not the composite numbers. Here 3 is a prime number, 67 is prime number, 7 and 13 is also prime number. Here 2 and 3 are also prime numbers. You cannot write the 2 into 12 only because 12 is the composite number. Remember this. This is very important to write the factors. Practice set 50. Same formula you have to use. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, or we can write in this way also, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b, vice versa. Question number 1. Use the formula to multiply the following. P square minus q square. Write in the square forms. Very easy. You have to write the both terms first in addition form, then in subtraction form. P plus q, p minus q. Isn't it very easy? 4x square minus 25y square. Now second step is very important. You have to write the square root of the each term. The square root of 4 is 2 and the square root of x square is x. Then you write the bracket square minus the square root of 25 is 5 and the square root of y square is y. Then bracket square. 2x square 5y square is 25y square. Now you can write here both the terms in addition form and in subtraction form. 2x plus 5y, 2x minus 5y. Third example, y square minus 4. The y is the square number, 4 is the square number. The y square in bracket y square minus square root of 4 is 2. So 2 square. Now you can write in addition and subtraction form y plus 2 and y minus 2. This y first term, 2 is the second term. P square minus 1 upon 25. The square root of p square is p only. Write in bracket and square minus the square root of 1 is 1 and the square root of 25 is 5 bracket square. Now you can write p plus 1 upon 5 in first bracket and p minus 1 upon 5 in second bracket. Fifth example, 9x square minus 1 upon 16y square. 9 is the square number, 16 is the square number. So you can write the square roots here. The square root of 9 is 3x in bracket square minus 1 upon square root of 16 is 4. This y bracket square. So first term write down 3x plus second term 1 upon 4y. In another bracket 3x minus 1 upon 4y. X square minus 1 upon x square. Here coefficients are not given. Only at the numerator place number is given. So in bracket x square minus 1 upon x bracket square. X plus 1 upon x, x minus 1 upon x. Seventh example, a square b minus ab. In these two terms, square numbers are not given. A square is given but b is not the square number. A, b also squares are not given. In such cases, we have to find out only the common variables or common numbers. So from this two terms, we can find out the common AB because A is here also and B is also in the another term. So take out the AB as common. So when we take out A from this, A will remain. B is here minus AB we have taken out. So what will remain there? It's variable of this AB. AB are the variables. Coefficient of this AB is 1. So 1 will remain here. Understood it? Now the 8th example, 4x cube y minus 6x square. Here 4 is the square number but x cube is given. Y is not the square variable. 6 is not the square number. In such case also you have to take out the common coefficient and the variables. So x we can take out common, x square is given, x cube is given. So x square you can find out as a common here. And from this 4 and 6, both the numbers are divisible by 2. So we can divide by 2 these two numbers. 2x square in bracket 2 is 4, so 2 will remain here. 1x will remain here and y minus. Divide this 6 by 2, 2 3s are 6, so 3 will remain here. X square is here only. So this is our answer. Last two examples. 1 upon 2 y square minus 8z square. Here also 1 upon 2 is given and this is not the square number. So you have to find out the common from it. 1 upon 2. Correct. So when we divide this 8z square or only the coefficient by 1 upon 2. See, you have learnt it. 8 divided by 1 upon 2. So when we divide by a fraction, recall the rules of the division of the fractions. We have to write the reciprocal of it. Means 1 upon 2 Reciprocal of it is 2 upon 1. So 8 multiplied by 1 upon 2. 8 multiplied by 2 upon 1, sorry. So 8 2s are 16 will come here. Then only we can find out the common from it. So y square minus 16z square. So 1 upon y square minus square root of 16 is 4z bracket square. So this is the first term y. Another term is 4z plus 4z, y minus 4z. I will show you how to write it. See, 8 divided by 1 upon 2. So while dividing, what we have to write? 8 multiplied by 2 upon 1, because 1 upon 2 is the fraction. So we have to write the reciprocal of it, correct? And multiplication sign instead of division sign. Or I will show you in another method. 8 upon 1 divided by 1 upon 2. This we write like this. 8 upon 1 multiplied by 2 upon 1. Remember this? So 8 2s are 16 will come here. Understood why does it comes? Then last example, 2x square minus 8y square. Here 2 we can find out as a common because 2 is not the square number. So 2 as common, what will remains for the first term? X square minus 2 4s are 8, so 4 will come here, y square. Now from the first term x, from the another term, this is the to write square root x plus 2y, x minus 2y, and this common 2 as it is. Here we complete the lesson.